I think every entrepreneur has had this thought at least once. I have a great app idea, but I don't know how to code. A few years ago, that usually meant one of two things: spend months learning programming, or spend thousands of dollars hiring developers. Then, tools like Emergent AI showed up and started making a very big promise. Describe your idea, let AI build it, no coding required. Honestly, that sounds almost too good to be true, so I had to test it. The first thing I did was give it a simple idea, a small productivity app, nothing complicated. I explained what I wanted, clicked a few buttons, and waited. And honestly, I was surprised. A few minutes later, I had something real, not just a design, an actual working application. That was the moment I understood why people are excited about tools like this. Then I started pushing it harder. I added features, changed layouts, asked for modifications, created another project, and that's where things became interesting. Because Emergent AI can absolutely build apps, but not always exactly the way you imagine them in your head. Sometimes things work beautifully. Sometimes you need several revisions, and sometimes you realize your original idea wasn't as clear as you thought. That's the part nobody talks about. AI doesn't remove the need for thinking. It actually forces you to think more clearly, because if your instructions are confusing, your app becomes confusing. The second thing I noticed is that Emergent AI isn't replacing software developers. At least not today. What it's really replacing is the first version, the prototype, the MVP, the thing you would normally spend weeks or months building just to test an idea. That's huge, especially for startup founders, freelancers, agencies, business owners, people who move quickly and need to validate ideas before spending a lot of money. I can absolutely see why those people love this tool. Now here's the mistake I think some users will make. They're going to expect one prompt and $1 billion app. That's not how this works. You still need good ideas, you still need problem solving, you still need to test your product. AI can build software, but it can't build a successful business for you. That's still your job. After spending time with Emergent AI, here's my honest opinion. If you asked me 2 years ago whether someone could build apps without coding, I would have laughed. Today, I think the answer is yes, with some limitations. You may not replace an entire engineering team, but you can absolutely build prototypes, internal tools, and even useful products much faster than before. And honestly, that's a much bigger shift than most people realize. So can Emergent AI really build apps without coding? Yes. The better question is, can you clearly explain what you want to build? Because in the age of AI, that skill might become just as valuable as coding itself. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.